Welcome to Aptro Lighting Solutions. We are headquartered in Hyderabad, India. We are manufacturers of high-quality LED lighting products for residential, commercial and industrial applications. In this video, we will be talking about lighting for healthcare sector. Patients are changing, and with them the character of hospitals is changing too. Rising costs of care and more patient options for treatment, all these factors are forcing healthcare organizations to become more competitive. Aim. Similarly, choosing environmentally friendly and energy-efficient lighting solutions throughout your facilities sends a clear, healthy message, all the while saving investors money. Choosing products that have a small environmental footprint lets patients know the organization values sustainable choices. Objective. What once seemed like small differences between medical buildings are now the reasons that patients and medical professionals will favor one facility over another. To compete in the high-stakes, high-stress reality of today's healthcare market, facilities must be designed around needs of patients, visitors, healthcare providers and administrators. Target. So, from the above, if we can summarize the ultimate targets, we get the following points to achieve. As patients assume greater responsibility for their own health, they demand higher levels of care. Sophisticated consumers now understand that patient comfort is part of the wellness equation, and they expect hospitals to be inviting and supportive during some of the most stressful moments of their lives. When healthcare facilities invest in better lighting, patients and staff not only see better, they feel better, too. One study showed that lighting can do far more than just improve visibility. It can actually accelerate the healing process and improve caregiver performance. Installing the proper lighting products can help patients relax, nurses become more efficient, and doctors focus more easily on the tasks at hand. Because healthcare organizations operate 24/7, even small gains in efficiency can lead to significant savings. Replacing outdated lighting systems with more efficient, environmentally friendly solutions will reduce energy consumption and maintenance requirements, saving funds for the core mission, the healthcare delivery. Let's see how healthcare lighting can be provided to medical centers and healthcare industry. The entire hospital is generic, divided into many sub-areas that can be broadly classified as corridors, reception areas, corridors, waiting rooms, examination rooms, patient rooms, and doctor rooms. Let us see how each place differs from each other in terms of lighting solutions. Entrances lighting can help to communicate the hospital's healthcare mission to the outside world and at the same time can increase its operating efficiency. Architectural outdoor lighting, for example, can turn the building into a prominent landmark, a living symbol of care and hospitality. Broadly, the entrance lighting options can be summarized as the following. Floodlights. For all the exterior elevations, usage of floodlights gives a bright glow to the building. We have option of going with single color or multicolor. In-ground fixtures and bollard lights. Bollards and in-ground fixtures give a clear path to the healthcare centers, and bright entrances create a secure atmosphere to the customer. Wall lights. Bright exterior means bright walls. Bright accents can be created on the walls of the facility using the uplighters and up-downlighters. There are IP fixtures and weatherproof. Reception areas. For any hospital, reception gives a first point of contact to the customer. Either it's the patient themselves or relatives and family members. Receptions are the first point of contact. Our objective in lighting the reception is to ensure safety and well-being of their loved ones. Creating a bright reception with uniform lighting in seating areas provide relaxing light to the customers. Various products can be used for reception areas such as pendants, spotlights, downlights and 2x2 trofar lights. Suspended lighting in combination with recessed LED downlighters gives a smooth feel of lighting to the customers. The distance between light to light can be varied as per the site general lighting conditions. In an economic design, and in case of double ceiling, the best option is to go for a 2x2 LED trofar. In this way, the number of fixtures can be limited, reducing the initial cost. Corridors. Corridors are one place in hospital where maximum energy efficiency can be showcased. The objective for lighting a corridor is connect different places in a hospital. The parameters that we consider is to use anti-glare fixtures to avoid glare to patients moved on stretchers. In a basic design, usage for downlighters, trollfers can be done ensuring proper distance from one fixture to another. In an advanced design, we can use a series of spotlights that wash the wall in combination of LED cove light to give concealed lighting. This creates an excellent indirect lighting atmosphere and elevates the ambiance of the place. Other basic lighting placements are given for back office areas and service areas. Waiting areas. Waiting areas see the most of distress in the members of the family when someone close to them is undergoing treatment. Waiting areas are designed with the primary objective of creating a relaxing atmosphere to the friends and family of the patient. A great care is taken in this design to ensure a proper amount of light that makes a relaxing atmosphere is used. Not more, not less. In a budgetary model, we can opt usage of LED downlighters and 2x2 trollfer lights. In an advanced design, if there is a possibility of concealed lighting, it makes a great combination of wall lights, cove lights and a minimal number of 2x2 fixtures. Examination rooms. Preoperative or postoperative or even in a general checkup, patients often are seen anxious for the results that leads to increase in pulse, blood pressures momentarily. The objective for lighting design is to calm the anxiety and making them relax, ensuring bright light for examinations. In a basic design, 2x2 or 2x4 fixtures can be used. The placement of the fixtures has to be decided as per lighting levels needed, and we can do that at the site level. In advanced lighting design, usage of colored lighting with general lighting gives a hue of color maintaining white color and brightness. This color distraction is helpful for reducing the anxiety of the patient. Imaging rooms. 90% of the people who go through the imaging process feel distressful for the situation they are in and often tense. Objective is to reduce the anxiety levels, and this is done in a very innovative way. In an economy design, 2x2 fixtures coupled with downlighters can be used, making sure the light is not hitting the eyes of the patient lying on the bed. So indirect luminaries can be used. In an advanced design, dynamic red, green and blue colored light is coupled with downlighters and spotlights to make a continuous color changing hues that distracts the patient for the whole time of scanning. This proved to be very successful in several countries around the world. Patient rooms. Our objective of lighting solution for this room is to create a hotel room atmosphere. Distract from the normal painful course of thinking to a new object thinking for the patients and caretakers. In the basic design, as you see, there is no downlight on the top of the patient to avoid glare while laying on bed. In an advanced design, usage of cove light to improve the aesthetics of the room are suggested. A blue hue is known to make the mood relaxing to the patients. So, what are the goals achieved with this lighting solutions? Customer satisfaction, which is the key objective of this entire exercise, is the first goal. Improved staff performance. An estimated 30% increase in the performance of nurses and doctors is observed. Since lighting is carefully designed, there will be very less or no wastage of power for unnecessary lighting. Also, coupled with LED lighting, there will be a 60% drop in lighting electricity bills. Brand image. Choosing environmentally friendly and energy efficient lighting solutions throughout your facilities sends a clear, healthy message. Not everywhere LED technology can be used. We recommend using a combination of 70% LED to 20% CFL to 10% other technologies for lighting. This ratio may change based on the financial goals of the company. This lighting design and advice is given by Mr. Deep. Deep is a highly experienced LED lighting consultant and has customers across India for LED lighting design. For more details, please call 08978711234, or if you are calling from abroad, please remove 0 and add +91 and talk to our sales executive today. This presentation is brought to you by Aptro Lighting Solutions, India.